Are you looking for an inspirational yet practical speaker to provide a much-needed spark for your workforce? To empower your team to become not just effective leaders, but influencers in their industry? Well, look no further. I'm Elizabeth Suárez, and I'm an internationally known leadership and negotiation strategist, as well as an executive coach to Fortune 100 companies. My mission is to empower professionals to unleash their potential, and through this, to help organizations develop a stronger workforce. My goal in every speech is to help the audience establish the mindset they need to master each interaction they encounter on the job. Be recognized as the leader and influencer that they are, regardless of title. Master my uniquely engineered problem-solving formula to ensure better outcomes. Implement leadership and negotiation tactics that aren't just theoretical, but actually work in the real world. And follow a communication system to grow your influence and reach and magnify your bottom line results. Drawing on my bank of insightful and entertaining stories and personal anecdotes, I am able to share my knowledge in a way that is fun, upbeat, and memorable. And beyond inspiration alone, I always leave the audience with real-world practical steps they can implement today that will lead to immediate impact. I look forward to connecting with you and helping to empower your workforce. Get in touch so we can start the conversation.